Okay, while the other one was saving, I went ahead and did the distribution here. Basically, multiplying everything by -1 is doing what to everything? It's just flipping the sign, right? Okay. All right. Anything to the 5th power? Nope. Anything to the 4th power? Yes. I've got a negative 2b to the 4th right here. I have a positive 1b to the 4th right here. Is that it? All right. So what's that going to be? Negative 1b to the 4th, or just negative b to the 4th. Anything to the 3rd power? Negative 5b to the 3rd right here. Positive 6b to the 3rd right here. I think I got them all. All right, so 6b to the 3rd minus 5b to the 3rd is 1b to the 3rd. All right, to the 2nd power. I have a negative 4b to the 2nd power there. I have a negative 9b to the 2nd power here. Is that it? Y'all are spotting for me, right? Because sometimes I miss stuff. That's going to be a negative 13b squared. Is everybody good there? Any b to the 1st power? I'm looking. I don't see any. Do y'all see any? Okay. And then just plain old numbers. I have a positive 8. I have a positive 3. And a positive 7. 8 and 7 is 15 plus 3. That's 18. Is that what you guys got? Good deal. Okay. Let's go to the next one. All right, let's do 8. I went ahead and did the distributive property to change the sign of all of the terms in the middle polynomial. Do I have any to the 5th power? I don't think so. Any to the 4th power? Yes, I have a negative 6q to the 4th here. I have a positive 4q to the 4th here. Combine them, what does that give you? Negative 2q to the 4th, okay? Anything to the 3rd power? I have a positive 9q to the 3rd right here. A positive 3 to the 3rd q right there. Those two together are going to be positive 12q to the 3rd. Good so far? Is it feeling like rocket science? No? Good, it shouldn't. All right, to the 2nd power. Just this? Is that the only one? Or am I missing something? That's it? Okay. Plus 8q squared. To the 1st power. Just a negative 5q right there. And that's it. So just negative 5q. And then just some plain Jane numbers. I've got a negative 2 here. I've got a negative 7 here. Is that it? Negative 2, negative 7. Negative 9. Is that what you guys got? Yep. Okay. Have you had a chance to do 4 and 9 yet? All right, do 4 and 9 and then we'll check those. All right, here we go. I've gone ahead and done the distributive property. Looking, I don't see anything higher than the 4th power. Do y'all? Okay, and I only have negative 2r to the 4th. I think that's my only one. Yep. Okay, so we start off with negative 2r to the 4th. Then we drop down 1 degree. Do we have anything to the 3rd? Nope. Okay. So to the 2nd power, we have a positive 3r to the 2nd, and we have a negative 6r to the 2nd. 3 minus 6r to the 2nd is negative 3r to the 2nd power. We good? All right. Anything to the 1st power? Okay, I've got a negative 5r. And I have a positive 8r. So what is that going to be? Positive 3r. And then do we have some just regular old numbers with no variables? I have a plus 4, I have a plus 9, and I have a plus 7. 9 and 7 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Is that what you guys got? All right, good deal. Okay, let's do 9. When I do the distributive property, this becomes negative 8z to the 4th and negative 5z squared. This one looks like it's the highest degree, so that's what we're going to start off with. And there are no other... Oh, yes, I do. Okay, I've got negative 8z to the 4th, and I've got a positive 3z to the 4th. So that's going to give me negative 5z to the 4th. Nothing to the 3rd. So the next thing we have is z to the 2nd. I have a negative 5z to the 2nd and a positive 7z to the 2nd. So that is going to be plus 2z to the 2nd. And that's it. All right, number 5. First, distribute the negative on this third polynomial. So that becomes negative 2x to the 3rd, negative 9x to the 4th, and positive 5. All right, and now we start combining like terms. The highest degree on this one is to the 4th, so I have a negative 9x to the 4th. I have a negative 6x to the 4th, and that's it. So that is negative 15x to the 4th. I'm looking for to the 3rd power now. I've got a negative 2x to the 3rd, and I have a positive 3x to the 3rd. So what's that going to be, guys? Positive x to the 3rd. Hang on, don't be... the bell doesn't dismiss you, I do. All right. Positive 4x squared, positive 8x squared. What's that going to be? Positive 12x squared. Do we have any... just with x? No, I don't think so. A plus 5 and a plus 7, and that's going to be plus 12. Is everybody good? All right, here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick up the one that you're now going to do for actual homework, even though it's not due tomorrow. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of March. It's not due tomorrow because nobody's going to, well, not nobody, but almost nobody's going to be here tomorrow. And if you're listening from home, the test has been moved. All right, bye.